Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Steeltron, and welcome back to Granny Chapter 3. So, today we're going to do the train ending. So yeah, this is gonna be my last part of the series of Granny. So yeah, I'm gonna play Granny again, but when the Chapter 4 comes out. So yeah. Oh, and I was gonna make a other video of showing all the deaths. Wait, guys. Yeah, as I was saying, I was gonna make all of the death scenes in Granny into one full video. I can't show you right now because I'm kind of busy right now and I'm so tired. I just don't think I can, say that right now. So yeah, we're gonna escape in a train today. Also, I also have a new hat on right now. Let's see if there's anything that I need. Oh yeah, nice weapon key. Right now. Okay. Go. Okay, going over here. See if you can find something. Oh, a safety key. Okay. Okay, I need. Okay, so I found one. Let's try to find some more. Okay, I'm upstairs now. Okay, now I need this thing. What's it called again? Slingshot. Checking the drawers. There's nothing. Where's Grandpa? I need to kill his ass. Nope, can't find him. Okay, so instead I'm just gonna kill Granny. There we go. Oh my god. That was cool. Do we have to set it up? No, we don't. Okay, I gotta go outside and find more stone. Okay guys, so I just killed Grandpa. So now I think if we're gonna escape to the train, we may need to use these bases, to bring water. So yeah, I'm gonna be back shortly, guys. Oh guys, I also found the lever. So yeah, I'll be needing that. Got one bullet. Okay guys, I'm gonna change plans right now. So since I need to still drop one more base, so first I'm gonna kill this bird and let's see what I get. Trinket. Oh yeah. Okay, I need a sorry bird. I'll make that down there. And where's my rifle, shotgun? Okay, I think it fell down. So okay. I'm just gonna go back down now. Oh, stone, nice. Oh, come to me, rifle. Another stone? Okay, I'll take it. Give me some bullets. Playing piano. Can someone come? for this, guys. I need to do my stuff right now. Oh, a coconut. Let's go. So I think right now I'm not safe because yep. Where's Greg? Finally, you're here, bruh. Been waiting. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna do stuff with the vases right now. So yeah, I'm gonna cut when I have everything ready, right, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be back shortly. There's a problem. As you can see, I already have my first vase, but the other vase, well, it's stuck on the other side. So I need to find a what's it called, the wooden plank. So yep, that's gonna be a problem. But yeah, also need the padlock key. But okay, so yeah, I'm already down with the lever thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna I don't know, try to do some other stuff right now. So yeah. And we got a coin. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's go in a stone. Let's take it. Okay, so I'm downstairs, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do because I have one stone. If I kill Granny and Grandpa, they'll both come down. So yep, I'm not sure what to do right now. Let's see, but I still have my other 4 days, so yeah, it's gonna be, I think, kind of easy. I got wood. I need it right now. I got a shed key, but oh, maybe it has something in it. Okay. Okay, so I have to kill Granny first. Shush. Okay, so I got a crowbar and a shed key. So maybe the shed key may have inside what's it called, the wooden plank, so I can get the vase and do that stuff. And the crowbar may have cable something. I'm not sure. So yep, that's gonna be a mystery. Come on, Granny. I need you. Here we go. Okay, guys. So where am I got this fast? Ah! Okay, so I'm gonna go down and grab my shed key really fast, guys. Let's see what's inside. And okay, I got this. Wait, I have an idea. Now my heart is beating so fast. Okay, I have an idea, guys. So they're gonna come after me because they know where I am. So I'm just gonna, go inside the house and give it to Slender. Oh, and I may get something. Need the padlock key, cause the safe key is right here on the side of the entrance of the kitchen. Okay. Is somebody coming? No, Slender's here. Guys, bad news. Grandpa has his rifle again. Oh, I left it in the entrance. Oh, yep. Here. Crouch. Go in here. Boom. There we go. Give me something special, please. I beg you. Goodbye. Will you give me? I knew it. I knew it. Oh, there's my vase. Can I grab it? Shit. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I can't grab it. Oh. Okay.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Where? Oh, no. No. Grab the goddamn key. Close it. Wait, I haven't checked down here. I just guess we just have matches. Nani? Yep, matches. Okay. Don't need it right now. I'm just gonna grab my safe key and just leave. Oh wait, I saw something glowing behind the, what's it called, the, oh my god, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, I think I saw the wooden plank on the top of the, what's it called, um, okay, I don't know what I'm saying, my brain is off. What I'm trying to say is, I think I saw the wooden plank right here on that corner. I'm not sure if it's still there, so yeah, I'm gonna check. First I want to see what I get in the crates. Oh my god. Wait, I think it could be useful. I could, you know, get some power on. Yeah, some power. I think that may help me. I'm not sure. So was I correct? Is there like a wind plane? It was here. Those sneaky developers. Okay, good thing that I saw it when Great Grandpa was chasing me. But yeah. Okay, so let's kill Granny and Grandpa one more time. Okay, so the only thing I have to do is now just use the plank, grab some water, go down, put it there, grab my padlock key, open it, and yeah, I'm gonna grab my. Wait, yeah, wait, I think I can escape now, guys. I just gotta do everything fast, so yeah. Okay. Plank here, go across really fast. Got this thing down there. Is there something here? Yes, I needed that. Wait, guys. Wait, I can escape now. Wait, I can escape now. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Oh no. I need to open the thing first. Okay, really quick. Oh gosh, shoot. Come on, ticket. Yeah. I have a ticket. Oh, okay, look at that. No! Grandpa just spawned and he was outside. That was not fair. Come on, dude, just give me a break. Okay guys, but at least I have everything that I need now. So what I'm gonna do right now, just get some stone, just gonna kill Granny and Grandpa and just go fix the train up. Okay guys? So yeah, I'm gonna cut back. Goodbye. Okay, gonna take this thing downstairs. Yes, thank you mate. So he has opened my thingies now, so thank you. What is it? I need a train key. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, it's time. It's time to escape this horrible place. Locking all the doors. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. The reverse button. And yep, let's go. I beat chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3, and I won all of you, all the endings. So I'm a pro, guys. Yeah. It only took me 2 days to escape through the train, and then let's go. Okay, guys. So yep, that was my full playthrough of chapter 3. So we escaped the gates and the train. So as I told you in the beginning of the video that I was gonna do another video just showing you all of the endings, I mean the death endings. So yeah, I'm gonna make that video. Hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, stay awesome guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.